QT9 QMS is an all-in-one quality management software solution that's user-friendly and feature-packed. When you're ready to go paperless, QT9 QMS provides everything you need to get rid of all those Excel logs and paper forms. This intuitive and easy-to-understand system provides cutting-edge features, such as automated workflows, email alerts, customizable data fields and menus, electronic signatures that are 21 CFR Part 11 compliant, interlinking modules, integrated web portals, and much more. QT9 QMS is designed from the ground up to provide a complete software solution that fuses document control, regulatory training requirements, corrective actions, and more into a single streamlined user experience. With a central homepage that's designed for easy accessibility, users can quickly navigate to any module they need by simply clicking the link within their smartly organized to-do list. Within the system, each dashboard looks, feels, and functions exactly the same way, making the software intuitive and very user-friendly. The convenient filter navigation makes it simple to isolate actions by a specific status. For an even greater level of control, each grid provides drop-down filtering capabilities that enable users to find exactly what they need with just a few clicks. Filter, organize, sort, and save any column, and export the data to Microsoft Excel, Adobe PDF, or Word as needed. As a key functional area of any quality management system, this integrated solution allows corrective actions to be created from any module, such as customer feedback and non-conforming products. Built-in trend analysis is at your fingertips through the completely customizable drop-down menus. You also have unlimited file attachment capabilities. With real-time data easily accessible and securely stored, there's no need to manually create Excel spreadsheets. The system even integrates with supplier and customer web portals, allowing you to communicate directly online. Non-conforming products can also be integrated throughout the system with the ability to create a corrective action with a single click. In addition, the built-in automated approval workflow is completely electronic signature compliant to save time and maintain security. From medical device manufacturers to global aerospace enterprises, QT9 QMS delivers the detailed document control management your business needs to stay compliant. Just like every module within QT9 QMS, the straightforward functionality is simple to navigate and understand, so users can effortlessly search, download, and view the status of any document contained within the system. As an added benefit, each document can be checked out for editing by only one user at a time to prevent overwriting or other errors. A key feature of the system is the integration of document control into training systems. This allows your company to quickly and easily update training materials for rapid delivery to employees, thereby eliminating the need for time-consuming manual work. Because document revisions entered into the system can automatically be linked to training, when a revision linked to a training request is uploaded, all the appropriate information is captured, and all parties involved can be notified with a single email. Once the document is submitted for approval, QT9 QMS automatically creates a training record, locates the employees that need to be trained on the new material, notifies them via email, and enables them to complete the training through the integrated employee web training portal. The entire workflow is automated and completely paperless. With QT9 QMS, analyzing important trends related to your business has never been easier. Utilizing the system's robust reporting capabilities, you're able to create bar charts, line graphs, statistical or data reports, and more. Choose from the extensive array of chart types, and then add filters to view the data any way you want. All reports are easily exported into a variety of formats for use outside of the QT9 software. You've just seen a little of the functionality that QT9 QMS provides, including corrective actions, non-conforming products, training, and document control. But this powerful solution also includes modules built specifically for audits, calibration, preventive maintenance, preventive actions, management review, engineering change request and notification, customer complaints and surveys, supplier evaluations and surveys, as well as web portals for customers, suppliers, and employees. QT9 QMS delivers a complete software solution that takes the guesswork out of compliance, training, storing, and maintaining paper records. Take the next step with QT9 QMS and transition your business to completely paperless electronic record keeping. To learn more, request a free 30-day trial of QT9 QMS and get started today.